every so often after regular hot tub use, you might notice some debris trapped in behind the jets. So after a drain, it is handy to occasionally take the jets out of the tub and give a good clean in behind them. If you have an older style spa, the jets will be snap-in style jets. And what you'll do to remove them is give a little bit pressure pushing in, do a quarter of a turn until you hear a snap, and it should come right out. These are the snap-in style jets. You'll notice here the couple snaps that keep the jet locked. So make sure there is no debris, body oils in the jets or in and around here, and you can just give it a little pressure with a quarter turn to the right and it'll be back in spot. Now if you have a newer style spa, it's much simpler because they're just twist offs. So you just spin it until it comes right out. So this is what our thread-in style jets look like. Again, you'll want to take a cloth and give it a good wipe on the inside, give it a good wipe around here, and then you can just pop the jet back in. And you're all set. One last tip, if you find yourself struggling trying to get one out, if one's a little too tight for you and it's not budging too much, just throw on a rubber glove and that'll give you the grip you need to really pop the jet out.